don't like seeing you like this. It's okay, please. Do you want to kill yourself because of Gerard? Cynthia, you have to eat something. Let's go to the dining.
I don't want to eat anything. I have been calling Gerald, but he keeps declining my calls. I've been to his house on 5 different occasions, but he asked his security man not to let me in. Neka, it was that same Lisa. That girl that made him chase me out of his house is the same girl he is getting married to. He ditched me for that girl. Why is this happening to me? What right have I not done with Gerald? Tell me what?
It's okay, please. You have to stop crying, please. I've been looking for a way to see him since he doesn't take my calls too. But until then, you need to take something, please. At least food will make you stronger.
Nick, I do not want to eat.
Cynthia, please, I'm begging you. Eat something.
Gerald,
please.
I want to talk with him. Nick, we need to see Gerald.
He doesn't take my calls too.
No.
Cynthia,
this cannot be happening to me.
It's okay, please don't hurt yourself.
Gerald cannot do this. Gerald cannot do this.
Cynthia, please, can you just stop?
Neka, I need to see him. Please.
He doesn't take my calls too. I need to see him. It's okay. It's alright. Gerard, what has Cynthia done that made you treat her that way? We both know that she loves you so much and she's ready to do anything to make you happy. Why are you doing this to her?
I made my research and I found out that Cynthia dumped her for my boyfriend because the guy became broke. Just because of that. I cannot have such a woman as my wife. Yes, people have been warning me, coming to me to warn me, but I wasn't just listening. She came to me because of my money. Okay, what if tomorrow something happens to me, things become tough? She will just dump me for someone and start cheating on me.
Gerard, we both know that Cynthia is not that type that cheats.
Cynthia is the kind of person that can dump whoever she's dealing with if the person is broke. I can't have such a woman as my wife. I don't have time to argue. I don't have that strength at all. Anyway, I'm inviting both of you to my wedding. If you want to come.
What?
You mean Gerald said all this?
Yes, he did. And he was very serious. He even left me and entered his car. He thinks you're with him because of his money. That if you could leave Ebuka when he got broke, you would do the same to him.
No. Ebuka. Chukwu Ebuka. I have made a lot of mistakes in my life. Ebuka loved me with all his heart. He paid for my school fees until I graduated. He took care of me. I lacked nothing when I was with him. But when he needed me the most, I abandoned him.
Girlfriend, this is not the time to lament. Let us look for a solution. Talking about Ebuka, my heart is back to the... Can you just stop crying? Talking about Ebuka, I heard is in town. That he has reopened his Bond's shop in a bigger way. Yes.
One day I know say I go smile.
But that's the truth. Yes, I miss you. I mean so much. No, please don't do that. Oh. Don't come back because I'm missing you. Stay there and concentrate on what you are there for. Focus. Yes, Mama is here. Let me give Mama the food. Mama.
Booski. So it's now time for Mama. Namo. So how are you today? You're fine. We are fine too. I don't want enough, Mama. Hey man, as long as Chinelo is around, we will be fine. So how is the new business? Oh, it's better than what you anticipated. I told you, Agwangina, what God has in store for you, But you know the full meaning of your name now. Chukwebuka. Chukwebuka nandre ebuka nwam. So niru ke ya na aga onna. Gini. No, let's not disturb you because Baluje attend that to them. We'll talk later. Oh, Buski, Bukoko,
why did you cut it now? I
cut to me because they become my people to attend to.
I want to talk to my brother.
Your brother and my son, they looked at them in their back.
Oh, I don't like this thing.
The boy is rushing back now when they change a business.
Is it ringing? I don't like this thing.
My friend, because I don't like this thing. Weekend. Oh, come on, the weekend. Really very wicked. He's my son. Also, I'm the wicked. You want to get phone, Zaba.
Everything go better.
I'm so happy there is gist.
Gist?
Yes.
Gist me.
I got a very sweet call on my way back home.
Okay.
I got a call from an unknown number, and when I picked, guess who it was? Chukwebukam. He called me and we got talking. The next thing he said was, send me your account details. And I sent, babe. This guy sent me 50,000.
Are you serious? Just hold on. Okay. Is it the same Chukwuebuka we know, or as in Ebuka Kobo?
I
know, but I'm sure to send you money.
Remove the Kobo. I'm telling you of my very own Chukwuebuka. He's now Ebuka millionaire.
I know he has made money, but...
Wait, let me tell you, wait. I had to put a call through to his friend to make inquiries indirectly. And he told me that Ebuka is now a millionaire. That he even bought a car, tear rubber, and that he is back on his feet. Just like you told me the other time. It is confirmed. My Chukwuebuka is of my life is fine.
Babe, calm down. Just calm down, okay?
Okay.
This is the time for you to make things right. Before another woman takes him away from you. Do you understand? We both know that Ebuka loves you so much. Yes, he is angry with you. But this thing he just did shows that his anger has subsided. So girlfriend, this is your opportunity. Use your brain. Do you understand me? Wait.
There are chapters of pain, chapters of laughter. One day I know say I go smile. Ooh, just one day. One day I know say I go blow. Everything go fine and things go better.
Mama?
Ebuka!
Mama?
Hi! Ebuka!
Mama, how are you?
I'm fine, look at you.
Yeah.
Ebuka!
Mama?
You brought a car for us.
It's for someone, not mine.
Money. For someone.
Mama, how are you?
No, I'm fine. Also, no, it's for someone. Cousin, can you?
Mama, come.
Yeah, let her pass. Go and call Chinelo. Tell her Ebuka is back.
Mama, how are you?
I'm fine. I'm working for Butelani.
Of course, I have some things in the trunk.
You're sure?
Yes.
Abusi.
Mama, where did you learn that
Hey! Now, sit down. You know,
Mama?
Since you left, I've been practicing Ebunga when you come back. Abusi.
Mama, where did you learn this from?
Hey! Chineke.
Mama?
Ebuka, look at you.
How are you, Mama?
I'm fine, but
How's everyone?
Fine, but you didn't call now.
Mama, I tried to call, but
Things go better one day. One day I know say I go smile.
Ebuka, you told us you'll be back after 4 months. 6 months running. And then you stopped picking Chinelo's calls.
no.
Mama,
I refuse to pick your call.
No, Mami Meroko edit. That's not what I told you. I said his number was not going through.
Fancha the same, whether he picked or the number wasn't going. Fancha when he reached Ria now.
Mama, I can't see her call and not pick up. I love you so much. I can't do that to you, right?
I love you.
Mama, I know you were very busy then. That's why his number wasn't connecting.
So you busy. Only the busy one.
Mama, I apologize for my absence. All this while, I've been in Algeria. Yes, I got a contract to do business with their Ministry of Education.
I'm so happy for you.
Algeria.
Look at
Yeah.
you.
Hey.
Mama, look at Ebuka. He's looking so handsome, fresh. Moto. You're now a car owner.
Hey. Ebuka, who has this car? In Yalo no moto mad, but I've been park here.
It's for someone.
Hey! Honey. Look at you, man. You're looking so good. How are you? I'm good. I'm fine.
You're looking good, man. Nano, or the goes your Algeria, but look at you.
How are you?
Hey.
It's for someone, it's not mine.
Welcome. We'll go and see. Go and see.
No. Mama, did you make something?
I made though, as if I knew you were here. Did you tell me you were coming?
I apologize, Mama.
Okay,
so what
anything you want to eat, I'll make for you.
Yeah, just go and get lazy. Only see and not get lazy.
Morning.
Good morning.
Please, are you Chukwebuka's sister?
Yes. Who are you?
Oh, my name is Cynthia. Cynthia Mosu, and I'm here to see Chukwuebuka. Please call him.
Cynthia.
Yes.
You're here to see my brother?
Yes.
Mama! 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 Mama, do
Mama, good morning, ma. You're not getting old.
So, look at you.
Good morning, ma. Good morning, ma. Good morning, ma.
Okay, Cynthia.
Yes, ma. Cynthia.
Cynthia.
Mama.
What are you here for?
I'm here to see Chukwuebuka.
Oh,
is he in?
Because name start going. Ebuka is not in. Naba, oh, you can leave. Can't you by the way? When things were hard for my son, you left him. And now you've heard that he's doing well again. You're back.
Mama, why would I leave Chukwuebuka? God forbid. I did not leave him.
My friend, shut up and get out of my compound. I don't want your explanation. Get out of my compound. Get out of this place.
Out! So, get out!
You think say you sabi, just watch and see. Waiting go happen. You think say you this smart, just watch and see. God will not be man.
Nonsense. Yes, I'm not you don't wake it and work with him up in Lola, Tony get deceived. Can you kill if I black people say Benina? He can't be the other day, wait here to her. Mamma, come on, Paddy Muno, Canadiana. You, Ndiala, funny name, one in a Junilo, Buba Buku, Unuja, Bumuaka, Upuato Punu, Puno, one more fear. Yapan, Unuja, come on, Korea. No, I book like you.
Coming from and where are you going to?
I was just coming from your house, but your mother and your sister chased me out, calling me all sorts of names.
Wow, they're coming from my house, and my mother chased you. Why?
Do I know?
Let's go back. Come, how have you been?
Fine, Ebuka missed you. Look at you. You're looking so fine.
Come in. Let me drop you off. You're just coming from my house.
Yes, thank God I met you here. I'm hungry. I want something to eat.
You're hungry?
Yes.
You want something to eat?
Yes.
Let's go home. I'm sure we can make something at home.
I've missed you.
I've missed you too. Get in.
I missed you so much. I missed you.
You think say you sabi, just watch and see. Waiting go happen. Oh. You think say you this smart, just watch and see. God did not be man. No. You think say you sabi, just watch and see. Waiting go happen. Oh. You think say you this smart, just watch and see. God did not be man. No. You think say you sabi, just watch and see. Waiting go happen. No. You think say you that smart.
What is she doing in my compound? What are you doing in my compound, Cynthia?
Mama.
Eh?
Mama.
Ebuka, no, Ebuka, you're back. Please listen to me. Eh? Tell this girl to leave my compound. Mama, I don't ever want to see her. She left you when you had nothing. Now you have arrived, she's back.
Ebuka, welcome. I'm greeting you. Welcome.
Hi, how are you? Mama, listen.
Please, Biko, there's nothing to explain.
Mama.
For your information, the only person I want in this compound for my son is Chinelo. Every other thing, eh?
Mama.
Buffet. Ebuka.
Mama, calm down. Let me explain.
There's nothing to explain. Moko ne pupiluga.
Hey, listen. Okay, so wait. Mama, stop this. Mama, don't be violent. Hey.
You think say you sabi. Just watch and see. What thing go happen, no.
By now you know who I am. In case poverty has covered your brain, I want to remind you. My name is Cynthia Nwosu, and I am Ebuka's woman. I don't know what he told you. The lies he brainwashed you with that gave you high hopes. These past days he stayed in the village. But I want to make it clear to you that we are back, and back for good. We have done things together, both in the secret and in the open. We have been through a lot together. And I will not allow a dirty, stinking village girl like you to come and reap where you did not sow. Now I want to sound it as a warning, a very clear one. Steer clear, my man. I do not want to ever see you close to him. Because if I start with you, if I fight you, I doubt if your people would be able to pick your pieces together. You destitute girl. You stink.
Life is like a book with many chapters.
My name is Cynthia. I'm Ebuka's woman. We've known each other for a very long time. We've done things together, and I believe you only got to know him these few days that he stayed in the village. So do yourself a favor and stay away from him.
Chapters of sorrow and of laughter. There are chapters of pain, chapters of laughter. One day I know say I go smile. Ooh, just one day. One day I know say I go blow. Everything go fine and things go better. There are ups and downs in the journey of life. There are success and failure also in the journey of life. I thought I've lost everything.
don't even know what you are doing with her.
Mama, she came all the way from the city to see me.
Please.
Really? Yeah, but please allow her to stay.
What about Chinelo?
Mama, don't stress yourself about this Chinelo issue. We can talk about that some other time.
This is not fair. How can we talk about Chinelo? Did you see her when she left? She was in a sad mood. Broken.
Mama, listen, you don't expect me to ignore my friend just because of Chinelo. Okay? Let's talk about Chinelo some other time, please.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Talk about her some other time?
Yes, Mama.
Are you forgetting everything that girl did for this family? Oh, of course. Now you're faring a bit better. You think you have to start looking another way and forget Chinelo.
Hello. Ebuka.
Yeah?
Ebuka.
Yeah?
Can you please come take me to your room? I want to freshen up and have a sound sleep.
Okay, I'll be with you shortly. Let me finish with my mom.
Oh, please, I'm waiting. Because I'm tired. I need to freshen up and rest my bones.
Mama, let me show her to her room.
There are chapters of pain, chapters of laughter. One day I know say I go smile. Ooh, just one day. One day I know say I go blow.
Will this ever happen? Your brother allowed a woman that jilted him when things was rough to come back to his life again and threw away Chinelo, who gave him companion.
All Ebuka was doing were all pranks. Yes, they were all pranks. My brother will all knew this very babe Ebuka ran back to. He has told me all that good for nothing, stupid, hopeless girl did to Ebuka. And as soon as he made money, fiam, she rushed back to him. So that Chinelo would go and hang herself. We all should learn how to treat people nicely so that God can do same to us. Anyway, Chinelo should not kill herself. When one goes, another comes. I'm sure of that.
So you girls didn't hear the way I and my mother threw her out of the house?
We heard.
We heard though, but your brother brought her back. Ebuka built the house. He is the son of the family. Since he has decided to throw Chinelo away and return back to his old love, there's nothing anybody can do about it.
It's a lie. In fact, it will not happen. My brother will not marry that girl. For what? Over my dead body.
It's a guinea. As in, it's a guinea. Who are you? My friend, go and sit down. As we speak, Ebuka, your brother, has already printed the traditional marriage cards, which has been sharing in Lagos. He will never over my dead body. As who? You can't do anything.
It's a lie, a big lie, a big lie. I don't believe you. And my mother didn't know about it. Even me, the sister. It's not possible.
Where is this woman we're even talking about? Where is she?
My house.
Oh, in your house. And you don't know that you have been staying with your brother's wife. How sure are you that she's not even pregnant? And that is why your brother has been defending her. Nne, go home and do your investigations.
Ha! My brother can never marry. No bogo. I'm not saying wine nail.
There are chapters of pain, chapters of laughter.
Mama, I cried all through the night. The girl told me to leave Ebuka, that they've been dating for a very long time. And to make the matter worse, since that yesterday that I left the house, Ebuka hasn't called me up until now.
This is not good at all. Honestly, I have a feeling that girl is using some kind of charm on my son. I doubt. Maybe he loves her. Hey, Papa. Ebezina. It's okay. It's okay. Eh? Something is wrong. Something is definitely wrong. I don't understand this.
Mama, they've been together for a very long time. Yeah, Bidorota.
Mom, but I can't believe Ebuka accepted her back.
He has come back to her.
Everything he told me that she did to him. Eh? Mado Nelinsion. Eh? Ebezina no ni na gbawa mo because young one. Ebezina biko. Ebezina. Oh, biko nunem. Chinela ebezina. I will talk to him. I will talk to him. Yeah, no come on, baby.
Don't cry, Mama. It's okay.
I'm okay. I'm okay, Mama.
Mom, I'm still surprised at what you are telling me. You mean Ebuka allowed Cynthia in your house and even snubbed Chinelo?
She's there in my house. Eh? I can't even say anything about her. Ebuka will attack somebody. Since yesterday, Chinelo has been crying. In short, Ebuka tried one road. As a matter of fact, he wants to kill her. Because anybody that could do this kind of thing to somebody wants the person dead. He wants her dead.
This is sad. This is really sad. I will need to go and see him. I need to go and see Ebuka.
Does it mean that you can't even?
That girl is using charm on my son. Yes, now. Ebuka that used to be very obedient. Now, if I mention the name, say, he doesn't even want to know if I'm talking about us. He just thinks I'm talking about Cynthia. He will just attack somebody. Eh? I've become his enemy. Not just myself, Ogeti and I. We have become his worst enemies. Because you remember now what this girl did for us now.
Mama.
Chinelo.
I know everything. Mama, please, I will have to go and see Ebuka. Eh? I mean, why would he do something like that to the forest that sheltered him during the rainy season? That's so ungrateful.
The girl bush forest. Because we are at least he listens to you. Because we are from don't leave him until Ogenti female.
When you read, you learn and understand more about it.
Ebuka, you know the one I'm talking to. Ebuka.
Ikenna, why are you stressing my life? Don't I have a right to my life and choices anymore?
That choice will kill you. Ebuka, that particular choice will kill you. Ebuka, that particular choice will kill you. Cynthia is staying here in your house while Chinelo is crying. Chinelo has been crying, Ebuka. Are you that wicked? Ebuka, are you that wicked?
Nah, you mad or something? Let me ask you, why won't Chinelo cry? Is she not an orphan? Is she not? How can a grown-up man like you, that is supposed to be out there hustling for a better tomorrow, be here advising another grown man that is wise enough to know what he wants and what he does not?
Thunder will fire that your shameless mouth. Do you hear me? Thunder will design that your shameless mouth. Who are you trying to deceive? Me? No, you can't deceive me. Remember when I called you on the phone and told you that Ebuka was arrested by the police? What did you do? The moment you heard that I'm Ebuka's friend, you ended the call on me. See, if I hear pain from you again, if I hear a word from you, I will teach you some good lessons.
Ikenna, that's enough. You can't threaten to beat up my girlfriend right in front of me. That's disrespectful. You're indirectly disrespecting me. Do you know that? Leave her alone. And most importantly, Rapomaka, leave me alone. Please.
I should leave you alone.
Rapomaka.
Ebukam Rapugaka.
Yeah.
Usobadoro. Manobulogo, manle nisigi. Okobulogo kamwaji jitegi omanle. Okwage.
My love, you did not call me. Is this how people lie? Look at, right before me, he is telling lies. He did not call me. Oh. Hey.
I asked him about the money, Mama. But he seemed very angry with me.
Angry what? Angry over what?
I don't know.
No. That's not what we agreed.
Sometimes I ask myself if this is the same man I fell in love with.
Is this really my son, Ebuka? Eh? You know, ever since that girl moved into my house, Amarom, her presence there just hits me like lightning. I just cannot stand her. You got to go? How can I be in my own house and be so unhappy? In short, I'm going to get my in-laws involved.
No, Mama, please don't do that. I'm of the opinion that we should allow Ebuka to do whatever he feels that will make him happy. Let's allow him. I'm already working on my mind towards accepting that we are not meant to be. Imagine now.
You don't deserve this.
Mama, what do you want me to do? What do you expect me to do?
Okay. Love age you da kwada daba. Maka no ti benya bodo nya no se na eme. We just keep praying. Cynthia no e maalo. O maalo.
If you are a kid, I would have flogged you merciless. I would have flogged you very well. For days now, Cynthia has been here. What is she still doing here? Are you such a fool that you've not learned from your past experience? Or what makes you think she will not leave you again once things get a little rough for you?
Kenna, why do you all make me laugh? I mean, why do you all make me laugh? Does it mean I can't make a decision for myself? You know, just to have a little fun in this village. Is that what you're trying to tell me?
Are you kidding me?
Anyways, how's your mother's health?
Don't change the topic. What happens to Chinelo?
Who's Chinelo? Who's Chinelo, for crying out loud? Listen, I don't care about Chinelo. Alright? Besides, Cynthia said she's sorry about everything. She's apologized to me and I forgave her. Life goes on.
Seriously?
Yeah, seriously. Chinelo is none of my concern. She's none of my business. What's wrong with you, bro? I'm just having fun.
Seriously?
Yeah. I'm an adult. Let me make my choice. Come on, bro. Cheer up.
Babe, I'm telling you, everything is normal. Ebuka still loves me. You know, when I got here, his mother tried to chase me out. But because of the love he has for me, he stood his ground. He told his mother that I am not going anywhere. So, I want you to come. Come, let's stay together. See, babe, you need to come. Let's stay together because I am missing you here. No, he won't say anything. He won't be angry. Ebuka knows you very well now. He knows you're my best friend. Yes, just come. But one thing, you know say you sabi talk. You know say you sabi talk. When you get here, don't even, do not, I repeat, do not mention that I've been with another guy ever since he left me. Don't say it. Yes, I told him that since we broke up, I became celibate. No man in my life. Yes, now. Trust me. Trust me. When are you coming, Biko? Next tomorrow. When you're coming, please pick some of my sexy things. Those I know to carry big bag. Come here. Alright. See you soon, eh? Bye.
God did not be man, no.
Welcome. Thank you. Ebuka, your village looks peaceful.
Oh, yeah. It's a peaceful place, actually. And the house, we're planning on bringing this down and erecting another building.
Really?
Yes.
Wow, that would be nice. I can't wait for your wedding.
Very soon. Very soon.
Why don't you help your friend take her bag inside the house?
It's okay.
You think say you sabi, just watch and see. What thing go happen? You think say you this smart, just watch and see. God did not be man, no.
Cynthia, I called you here, yourself and your friend, because I want to tell you my mind. I'm sure both of you are wondering why I have allowed you stay around my family and I for this long. I want you to know that I am not a fool. I know exactly what I am doing. I know you have a conscience, Cynthia. And I brought you here because I wanted to prove a point, which is, if you really do have a conscience, I want your conscience to judge you for everything you have done to me. However, it doesn't mean I haven't forgiven you. I have. But I want to remind you, when we newly met, you had nothing. I picked you up from the gutters, Cynthia. I gave you everything. I paid your school fees without my mother knowing. I rented an apartment for you without the consent of my mother. I clothed you. I gave you shelter. I fed you, Cynthia. I took care of you and your friend. I made your life comfortable. But in return, how did you pay me back? You treated me like garbage. You turned your back on me. You called me a fool. After all I have done for you. Cynthia, the truth is, I forgive you and your friend. I forgive you for all you have done to me. Cynthia, I forgive you for not sympathizing with me when I lost my shop. My shop got burnt. But you never called me one day to sympathize with me. I called you 1,000 times. You ended my calls. You told your friend to tell me you were not available to take my calls. Cynthia, what did you not do to me? I called you and told you I was hungry. You treated me like a fool. I asked for common 5,000 naira to buy food. And you treated me worse than a beggar. After all I have done for you, Cynthia, I forgive you. And I brought you close to me and my family to clear that fact. To let you know that I don't have anything in mind against you. I wish you well. And if you must know, do not bite the fingers that fed you. Most importantly, you don't know tomorrow. I wish you well, Cynthia.
Ebuka, I am ashamed of myself. And I am totally speechless. There is no word that I will say here that can justify the way I treated you. I'm sorry.
Please sit down.
I want to thank you for bringing me into your home and accommodating me. I must say you are an angel in human form. You have a beautiful heart. And so are your family. Yes, you kept your distance, yet very cordial. Despite how I treated you, despite everything I did to you, you still have the mind to show me love. There is no word I say here that would justify my acts. All I want to ask for is your forgiveness. Please, forgive me. And thank you for being you. Thank you.
Cynthia, if you heard me correctly, I said I've forgiven you. But I've moved on. Thank you.
Ebuka, I know I have also wronged you in the past. Please forgive me too. You are a good man. Each time I remember how you were there for me, how you paid my school fees when the money was stolen.
Also, Papa,
I feel like crying. Ebuka, I am so sorry for everything I have done to you. I am sorry, please. Forgive me. And may the good Lord continue to bless you.
Amen. Amen and amen. The good Lord will always continue to bless a good man because he's the only one that sees the heart. Especially when he's a philanthropist. Accommodation anyway, you see, let me tell you, you should learn from your experience in life. Experience, they say, is the best teacher. Anyway, the good thing is that both of you have bright futures. You will find good men to marry you people if the change is really from the depth of your heart. Man, I have one advice. Stand by your man. Whether rich or poor, whether sick or whatever. When you meet somebody that is genuinely nice to you, stand by the man. Nobody knows tomorrow. You see how you people just watered into my house when you learned that my son, go. But unfortunately, what did you go late, Cynthia? Well, you leave my house now. You're done with the visit. problem. Go inside and pack your things. On your way, send them off. It was actually.
One day I know say I go smile. Ooh, just one day.
You've been forgiven. It's okay.
One day I know say I go blow. Everything go fine. When you read, you learn and understand more about it. There are chapters of pains, chapters of sorrow, and of laughter. There are chapters of pains, chapters of laughter. One day I know say I go smile. Ooh, just one day. One day I know say I go blow. Everything go fine and things go better.
Can I ask you a question? Do you think I would ever leave you? The answer is no. What I share with you is something very special. Much more than you think. Chinelo, I decided to play with your thoughts. Do you think I am easily swayed or manipulated? No, I'm not. I knew exactly what I was doing. I love you so much, and I'm here to say thank you. Thank you for all you have done for me. Because you took a big risk for me. A huge sacrifice you made for my sake. Thank you so much, Chinelo. Where's your phone?
I thought you left me for Cynthia.
No, I did not. I knew exactly what I was doing. Where is your phone?
My phone is inside.
I made a transfer of 21 million naira to your account. 20 million is to pay back your brother's loan. And the 1 million naira is to say thank you for all you have done for me. I'm not done. This car. I got this car for you. I know I told everyone it wasn't mine, but no one believed me. But it's yours. I know I'm here to show appreciation.
Just one day. One day I know say I go blow. Everything go fine and things go better. There are ups and downs in the journey of life. There are success and failure also in the journey of life.